Hello, everyone. I think Mr. King has also joined as well.
Yes, I am here.
Yes. Hello, Mr. King. How are you? So,
Yeah.
from ICTAS side, we have ICTAS, we have HanViet, and we have manufacturer Rapiscan as well. So, from our side, we can continue.
Good
Yeah.
afternoon.
Uh,
How can we start now? Ask me. Can you?
uh, yes. Let me share my screen. Uh, Let me know if my screen is visible.
Yes, we can see your screen.
Yeah. I mean, we have received this list of equipments that comes under SAC, the field devices. And then based on that, we prepared a consolidated sheet, which we sent across to you for clarification. Uh, what I did in the from those the type of devices we have just segregated it and the quantity. Uh, for some of the equipments, like we got that means like ATRS. ATRS will be having integration through BACnet, and we have received the BACnet document also for same. Similarly, for some of the devices, Rapiscan are having like 632 DV 938. So this will be through API integration. Uh, uh, and the we have received the API document also for same. The means, the couple of questions what we had or the clarification or the discussion point today is there are few other devices like the RFID gate, the metal detector, the recheck workstation. Uh, does this needs to be integrated with ICCC? Number one, the body scanner, the explosive detector, and if this needs to be integrated, how the integration would be. So that's the first query what we have, and followed by as I mean, these are all individual devices. We were looking it out. Can we get a single point of integration, like the information broker, where we can connect to information broker and then get uh, all this from an information broker or an API. So these are the two key points wanted to discuss it out with you all.
Thank you so much. I think it is Mr. Sumesh, I believe. Uh, Madhu,
Ashwin.
you wanna, yeah, Miss Russian. Madhu, you wanna take this, or should I start from here?
I think you said you can go ahead actually because some of the because most of the listed item is not in my scope, so Handwit has to respond to that. Anyway, ATRS, we start with ATRS. It's already confirmed. Actually, you are going to throw with we are going to do this with BACnet, right? I don't think there is any confusion onto that. That correct, Ashwin?
Yes, right. There is no confusion on that.
Now coming back to the body scanner, that has to be you have to check with King actually because it's not in my scope.
About the thank you, Madhu. About the body scan, explosive detector, metal detector is the standalone machine. We don't have the monitoring of that system, and we don't have the API uh, interface. This the
Mhm.
standalone machine. We cannot monitor the standalone machine.
Noted.
I am not
So
accepting
just
this one. Abi, just a second, just a second, just a second. I am not accepting this reply because, as per specification, it is there.
yeah, I think what the HBMS guys has received is the general equipment schedule for all of the end devices what we have, which they have shown earlier. Based on that, they made this list segregating the equipment, and some of the equipments for body scanners specifically. Mr. Tulga, I'm not sure if it is mentioned in the specification. I will check the specifications. But
It
Mr.
says
King,
X-ray.
answer.
It says X-ray.
Yeah.
But the scanner is an X-ray or not, I don't know. And this can be questionized to with an RFI to ACV, as we discussed before. You remember?
Yeah.
We can send the RFI to make clarification on this list itself. For example, explosive detector. I don't think that needed.
Yeah.
Yes,
And
ETD.
no need, I think.
yes, I know. Tunga, as my experience I do for some airport in Vietnam right now, about the explosive detector, body scanner, and metal detector, they're not required for monitoring the standalone machine. I don't know about the why the specification mentioned all IIE equipment need to be monitoring to the
No,
element.
no. Spec is not asking every equipment to be monitored. Spec says
Yeah.
that X-rays.
Yes,
X-ray.
I agree with you. The X-ray we will.
Explosive detector is not an X-ray. It's a
Yes,
detector.
yes,
But
Yeah,
body
yes.
scanner,
gents,
but
hold
body
on a
scanner
second.
body scanner is an X-ray or not? This can be questioned. If you ask me, no need, but we have to ask it. I
Yeah,
think.
gents, and King,
Yes.
whatever you are planning to monitor, okay, and whatever you are planning to not to monitor, draft an RFI and ask for confirmation from ACV, JCJV and close this chapter, abi.
Okay, Nazmi, I got it.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, so
Nazım Bey,
Ashwin,
Nazım Bey,
Yeah,
just a second.
evet,
If you ask me,
yeah,
it is better HBMS guys raise an RFI. Why? Because they are going to monitor, and this requirement is coming from their specification, not from HanViet specification. It's not coming from the SSE specification. It's coming from the HBMS specification. So I
okay,
advise HBMS guys to prepare an RFI. Okay,
Oh.
then ask the details of the X-ray. Just put this list, take this list. Okay, take this list and create an RFI because it's coming your specification.
fine. Tolga Bey, I
okay,
understood. Let me tell you, HBMS team, please draft RFI and coordinate with HanViet, handshake with HanViet, then send the RFI, abi.
Uh, sorry, Namis, I had comment here.
Yeah, please go
Firstly,
ahead.
in spec of HBMS, monitor the status of X-ray, not define exactly which is X-ray. So HBMS system collects information from other system based on the available signal. So I think that's easy. First, after the meeting, IC confirmed for us some, for example, explode detector send along or don't send signal to other. So for HBMS, we will submit the design document. Which are in our design document, we will only monitor the status, the available information. For example, ATIS, we don't show the signals of explosive detector in the screen. Don't need FI. If after we submit our document, maybe JAC or ACB they have a comment. If approve, it's okay. If they don't approve, they have to give the comment.
Better.
So I think we don't
I
need.
don't understand.
We do.
I
No,
don't understand.
what he's trying to say, is we will confirm him as per this list. We will confirm him which endpoints require interface and which endpoints does not require an interface, such as body scanner and this and that. Based on that,
Yes.
they will make based on that they will make a network architectural diagram where they will be putting the end devices from all the systems which they will be integrating. If ACV approves this approach, like if ACV approves that network diagram, and if they didn't mention that they need body scanner, so no need to raise it. This is what he's
Yes,
trying to
this
explain.
I mean.
Just a second. What we are going to
Hmm.
do if they ask 2 years later, as per the specification, what we are going to do? Do you have a
We
plan?
will no, we will confirm our end devices that these devices require interface. These devices does not require interface. Based
We are
on
not the
that,
party of the.
HBMS.
We are
No, no,
not
no.
the
Based on
party of the confirmation.
yeah, we are
As
not
I
the party,
see,
but
yes.
yeah, we will be responding to recons. For recons to get further clarifications, they will be either submitting a network architecture or whatever they want to submit, and they will be showing us the approval. That's
Yes.
it's very yeah, because it's apart from HanViet, it's HBMS. So they have coordinated with us. We will tell them, okay, these point require, these point does not require. Based on
As
that,
per
they
what?
can,
As per what? We will confirm them.
as per vendor's recommendation, or as per yeah, as per vendor's recommendation, we will provide, and for that information, they
Vendor's
can get the
recommendation is subject to approval, abi.
Tolgabe, they can get the confirmation after our assessment. Recons get the confirmation. For sure, they will get the confirmation from ACV and JCJV.
Yes. First, we make the HBMS design based on the document from such system from other system.
Yeah.
So if you after you confirm this need, we will based on this need, we will build the design.
Mr. Uzey, you can hear. They are asking our confirmation. Mr. Juan
We
is
will
asking our confirmation. If you want to
we,
confirm, you can confirm. But I will not
yeah,
confirm.
we will yes, I understand what you are trying to say. We will be giving the confirmation based on our end devices. Then the approval for this party, the approval for this approach, it has to come from ACV, JCJV. For sure, recons will be telling them that in SSE we will be monitoring these devices, these systems. So at that time, if ACV raise a concern that we need shoe scanner, we need body scanner, okay, then they will come back with us with the official comment that ACV needs body scanner as well.
Yes, we will based on this, we will make
Yes.
HBMS ICD and design document of HBMS.
Yeah, this is one approach. The second approach, they should be sending an RFI, identifying that we will be doing this interface, we will not be doing this interface. So we don't know their plan.
We
Mr. Juan
propose
said that.
the
Mr.
first
Juan
approach.
said that. Mr. Juan said that they will not raise an RFI for the clarification of this list.
Yes,
I need
because
a clarification. I need a clarification for this list from someone from ACV. This is my point. For me, body scanner is not an X-ray, but for ACV it can be. Or like Mr. King said, in Vietnam they are not seeing body scanners as an X-ray, but maybe in this project they will ask in the future. We cannot take a risk as a main contractor. As a main contractor, we cannot take a risk. I'm not talking about the TE. As a general wise, we will never take a risk for future possibilities because there is an unclear issue in the HBMS specification. It says monitoring the status of the alarm and status of the X-ray in HBMS specification. So I am advising to raise an RFI for the clarification of this list. By the way, I don't advise to put explosive detector in the list. Remove it because explosive detector is not a X-ray. It's a detector.
Okay.
with when we submit RFI for the information we don't know or we don't know clearly. We don't know, but for this information, not only for the SSE system, for
Yeah.
other systems, we receive information from other system and make the ICD on make the design document. We don't require
Yeah,
more
may I
from
tell you
other
something,
system.
gents? We are discussing still regarding to which one is the security system, which one is not. Abi, what my kind advice, you will be sending the design document, am I right? Yes, no?
For HBMS, we will submit a
Yes.
design document of HBMS system.
Yes,
Yeah.
for HBMS systems, please indicate that what kind of integration you will be doing by naming the integration requirement as per your specification. Okay.
Yes, and then we will submit ICD also too.
Yeah,
So it
before
means
sending the
it's
ICD, please coordinate with us, IC and HBMS, not HBMS,
of course.
BHS, and security signaling team. Let's come to an agreement whether it is good enough to proceed or not, and let's come to an agreement and submit accordingly.
Of course,
Yani
when
don't
we
send separately before sharing with IC and HanViet. Okay.
okay. Of course, when we submit ICD.
Just a second. Just a second. Nazmi Bey, for your information, HBMS is under IC scope. So
IC scope. Sorry.
Without my confirmation, without my approval, they will not submit.
Yes, of course.
But yes, I know who I'm. Just a second. But my issue in here, HBMS is going to follow which list?
Its own list.
Which list they are going to follow?
Whatever the HBS integration requirement says in their specification.
Okay, in the specification it says X-ray.
Okay, that's it. That's what needs to be provided.
Then minimize. Okay.
I'm not minimizing. I am following the specification requirement.
Okay, but what is the X-ray in this list? What is
X-ray has been indicated. In your specification, HanViet, Madhu, King, are you there?
Yes, Nasmi. So
you should be saying that X-rays is those machines, Abi. Let's close the chapter.
Absolutely. So that's what I, gone in the beginning by, my X-ray details. The first line number 5 and 6 is under X-ray. If you come down, come down.
Okay.
Come down. Scanner, you can see the scanner.
Yeah.
928, 920, 920 CT, 632. So 920 CT is again, it's coming under the ATRS because you are giving the same connection because you can remove this separately because you already mentioned in the ATRS over there. So this 920 CT is coming along the line number 16. Yeah.
So this is under this one itself.
ATRS. Exactly.
Okay.
Because it's a joint system, right? Rest, the line number 14, 15, 16. All the scanners is coming under X-rays.
Okay. So 15, 16, 17, 18, those are all X-rays.
Yes.
And so RFID gate is not required. Okay.
I don't know. That's you have to talk to HanViet. I'm just talking about the X-ray part, Ashwin.
Okay.
So RFID is not X-ray. Okay. And scanner, RTT 110 is also that is through API. Yeah. I don't know about shoe scanner, and I don't know why it has been listed workstation. Workstation is a workstation. It's not X-ray machine.
Yeah,
right?
actually, no. Actually, what they did, they took the HanViet complete diagram, Excel sheet with all the endpoints, and they just segregated it.
These are the scanners, actually, Ashwin.
So this is the list, and these has mentioned the workstation. So I just segregated it.
Yeah, Ashwin. So you can go back to the other Excel sheet. So you can just confirm. So these are the X-ray machines which we are using on the project. So we already sent the API for both this X-ray machine, right? And you already marked it over there. So yes. I don't thing actually you have, but I wanted to understand because the column number J, you are asking a lot of information. I don't know all this information is going to provide through my API because my API is very clearly marked what has to be, what is information we are going to provide, right?
Yeah, so typically, I mean, this kind of information is generally asked by airports from HBMS to be displayed or to provide lot detailed insights.
I'm checking with okay. Yeah, because
So Ashwin,
Yeah.
we have the API which is very clearly stated the minimum requirement what we can provide, right? And I don't have any list from HanViet also where we have to provide all this because there is no way we can use this. We can give you the information about the lane utilization, throughput, and X-ray. There is a radiation system status. I don't think that's going to be come to you. The main, the information what you are going to get from the system is the status of the system and the communication and the error messages, means fault messages. That's it.
Yeah, the conveyor status or the emergency stop information or I mean, the back count
That's what.
can be
That's
given.
what. That's what I said. Actually, you have to go through the API. API is already given the full information. What the information we are sending back to you. Is that correct, Ramesh? Sorry, I'm just introducing my technical person, Mr. Ramesh Naidu. Ramesh ji, is that correct what I said?
I think on the specification, they require only the status of the scanner about the online, offline, and fail only,
Correct.
not
That's what I
monitoring.
heard from HanViet. Yeah.
Yeah.
Mm, Well, I mean, if there are many other KPIs are there which are expected from HBMS to achieve those KPIs, we will be needing this information. Without this information, we will not be able to achieve those KPIs.
May I ask how you get these list of monitoring alarms, operational alarms, and security alarms?
Yeah, this is based on our some previous experiences.
No. So Ashwin, you have to go
Hmm.
with the contractual requirement of this specific projects. If this specific project is asking for this requirement,
Mm. Yeah,
because
look,
for
so
for for
that's
for
what the
us,
whole.
yeah, for us, our HanViet is requested us to provide you the three things actually. One is the status of the equipments and the fault alarms.
Yeah.
Because
So
I don't think this radiation system status and these things are never ever can produced. So is this specifically asked by the client to you? I don't know. Because for us,
no.
actually, my client is very clearly asked three things actually. One is the status of the machine is on, off, or any fault is happening between the operation.
Hmm.
Yeah, may I ask you something, guys? Could you one by one show your specifications, integration requirement part in the specification,
Let me share my screen.
please?
Yeah.
Okay, can you see my screen?
Yes.
The
Yes, it's visible.
OLED screening equipment are connected to the airport network to manage equipment started, on, off, available, unavailable, and static available. Normally, we only say my senior about the on, off, and fail. That's all.
Fine.
And
Is there another
statistics. So
any other requirement for the integration, King?
No.
Okay. Yes, let's come to HBMS.
yeah. So it says that the statistics is also required, right? The screen which has been shown, it says on-off status and statistics. So if you look at
Can
the
you show it,
statistics,
King, again? Can you show it again? King.
Yeah. Let
Yeah, the second part is stated
The
availability
second
and
part
rejection
and
rates.
statistics.
Where is statistics?
Manage equipment status on of available and statistics.
Yeah, statistics mean availability reject rates. Are you providing these, King?
Availability and reject rate is on the if you inline the system, we can, but this one is a standalone machine and we cannot show the reject rate. We don't have the software, we don't have the server, we don't have anything to manage all the information from the scanner. How I can provide this information?
Okay, then
Correct, Madhu?
Why did you quote some equipment not not as per your specification?
let me tell you, King,
Yeah.
we don't need just raise an RFI saying that as per the approved the equipments, blah blah, say the model names, okay. The integration requirement specification calls this, and the availability of the data, this not centrally monitored standalone systems can only provide those information. Please confirm the data exchange requirement with this and close this chapter. There is no other way.
Mr.
Yeah,
Nazmi, if you allow me, can I advise?
Yes.
The list which was shared by HBMS. Yes, you're right. King can raise the RFI, but the list which was shared by the HBMS team, the list of all these alarms, they have collected based on the experience and based on the several other projects. So they should be raising an RFI with clearly explaining the alarms or the notifications that HBMS will be receiving.
Yeah, the issue is
yeah.
I am trying to
In
protect
fact,
my subcontractors. My subcontractor, to protect himself, he needs to send an RFI. Okay.
yeah,
I am not trying to cover the 511 HBMS. We need to cover our scope first. Okay.
yeah. So, gentlemen, what I request is, for each equipment type, what information you can share. Means, can I get a clarity? Look, this currently, whatever I am showing, whatever this screen I shared across. Just let me share my screen again. Before going to ACV, we should be clear on what data we are receiving, what we are not receiving. The intention of sharing this sheet is need a reward from you. Scratch it out. Whatever is not possible from your side, scratch it out. This is not possible. This is not possible. This is not possible. This is possible. Right? So I can modify my FRS and ICD accordingly.
That will be the
Before
best idea,
submitting,
Ashwin. Yeah, that will be the
yeah.
best idea because sorry, give you the details which signals which we can give it back for monitoring our system. So
Absolutely.
I can give you that. So that's what I asked this question actually, because I can see some of the information which is not able to possible to give you back. So whatever from ICD which I have been shared, I can give you the information, what kind of the signal, the basic signals which we can give it to you and for monitoring the system.
Hmm.
Just 1 second, let me check with my engineer. Ramesh, is that okay? We can do that? You are not audible. Not able to hear you.
Madhu, can you hear me?
Yeah. No, better. Clear. Yeah.
Yeah. Seems like I think the document whichever we shared is in between. I think it was not been received by Ashwin or team who is going to be adding all these in this. Okay, so I think it is better to discuss first. Maybe Ashwin, I'm not sure. Did you receive the document whichever it says is generic REST API here?
Yeah, I have received that API document.
Okay, it has the data on whatever it is. Like for example, radiation system status, right? Example, I'm saying, okay, don't want to extend everyone's time. Example, that is like a physical check of a radiation meter. So it will never be provided by any of the X-ray mission across any place normally. Okay, radiation is to be verified outside the machine with a different qualified or rated equipment. And we say that, okay, at the time of doing an SAT, whatever ISAT, whatever you call, and it will be an yearly basis based on the country's regulation again. So that definitely will not be coming through a software or an API at any point of time on any machine normally, whichever I understand that way. Okay, that cannot be. Convey status, yes, that's what I'm saying. So maybe internally you can take some time and can able to go through the REST API document and can pick out. If not, if this is shared between either to Madhu or King, we can go through that once again and say that this can be provided and this cannot be provided. That can be taken on.
Yeah, that's the best approach. We can share across this list with you, and you can just comment on that this one, okay, because this I have listed out as a capability of my system, Mr. HBMS.
Right. It's not about
can
its capacity. We
do all
understand
these
that,
things.
everyone has their own different approaches for getting the projects to be done, right? But end of the day,
Exactly.
we need to finalize based on the requirement from the customer side. Okay, as King has been mentioned, right? Statistics, I can share you like every time there is a bug, I can send you an event basically. But you need to, again, throughput example, right? Is it going to be throughput calculated for last 15 minutes? Or is it like a day, or we are not sure of that. Basically, what we do is we send a scan event every time whenever there is a bug even entered into the machine. Then you need to put into the database, then you can calculate the throughput according to your UI, right? That is possible.
Absolutely. So this is what is been done. Means, throughput, you provide me the data to calculate the throughput.
Definitely, yes. That's
how
possible.
to show it. Whether
so, yeah, those are all basically explained on that basic document. If at all, I'm not sure if you had time or it's not your duty, but yeah, we have to collectively confirm or conclude this particular thing. Line statistics, lane utilization. Again, lane utilization, I cannot say because I give you whenever it is being scanned. According, all those can be populated by you, right?
So again, so to calculate, again, I'm not asking you to provide me the lane information. To come to that calculation of lane utilization, whatever data is required for calculating lane utilization, that you need to provide it to me.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It is possible. Yeah, it's possible. I'm not saying no for it. There is a scan event every time there is a bug going through the machine. There will be an event given to you. That will be triggered as one of the parcel to you, and you can calculate rest other things. Yeah, that's possible.
Absolutely. Yeah. So if it is possible, we will do it. We will do the calculations then.
Yeah, fair enough. That's what I'm saying. So we can go through the doc. If you have time, we can go through the document. If not, we can explain that based on that document, what are all possible. There will be some efforts from your side for calculation. Those can be, you can knock off accordingly that, or you can calculate accordingly that.
Perfect.
Yeah. Okay, fair enough. We can do from our side the basic calculation.
Yeah, so Rameshji, so I will share this document along with you, so we can mark it out, what can be done and what can be not be done, and send it back to him.
Yeah, sure.
Perfect, yeah.
Gents, I just mixed up. Can you one more time mark up the X-ray in this table in front of us? Can you mark up one more time like you mark up in the green? Maybe
yeah.
Can you mark up again?
I'll do that one. Number one. Okay, I'll mark the complete one so that it is easy to understand for everyone.
No, that's in the meeting. Just share your screen with the attendance with the advice of
my screen. You're able to see my screen?
No.
Oh, sorry. It got stopped. I don't know when. Yeah. Is it visible now?
Yeah, we can see it. So ATRS is not an X-ray device. Agree, all the parties?
No, it's an X-ray. Do one thing.
It's a part of an X-ray.
It's a part of an X-ray. That's why actually we put that up. So Ashwin, remove this ATRS and highlighted 920 CT and put this backnet over there. So it will be confirmed, right? Otherwise, it will be a mislead to everybody.
Oh,
Come
you
down. I
huh.
told actually 920 CT is already there actually, right?
Yeah, 920 CT, yes.
Yeah, so you can remove that TRS from there actually, because we already marked over here, right?
Okay, so in that case, this is not required. This
Yes,
I can hide.
ATRS is it's a tray retrieval system. Remove this but put this TRS backnet IP to that 920 CT.
Oh, you mean to say this?
Included
Tolga,
into the related equipment.
Tolga, this 920 CT with TRS is a one system, okay? So whatever we are interfacing, the main part, the PLC is sitting on the TRS control panel. So that's what actually
is this correct now?
Yeah,
Is
that's
it correct now?
Now, yes.
Yeah, remove 920. Yeah, that's correct.
Correct.
Yeah.
Remove the
here I'll
Nothing NTIS, RTS.
Just put 920 CT including ATRS.
Yes.
Yeah, so I
ATRS.
said 920 CT / ATRS, or I
Yes.
said including ATRS.
Yeah. And remove the top part portion. Means the line number 2 and 3 ATRS remove from there.
Let me save it as a copy. Yeah.
Even the first one, I think line number 1, ATRS need to be removed.
Already, yeah, the line number 1 also. Yeah, correct.
That's for future anyway. So all the future I'm gonna remove it, knock it off, because future you don't know what will be there.
This is also wrong approach. Our future scope is already fixed. As the IC I'm saying, as our future scope is already fixed.
But
with our
Tolga,
appendix 7.
this is not X-ray. That's what we removed actually.
I know.
So delete it.
But don't delete all the features in it. I just inform
No,
you.
We are not deleting any X-ray
deleting all.
feature.
Yeah. So body scanner is not an X-ray, or no? That's a questionable thing.
The
Make it
body,
yellow.
body
Make it
scanner,
yellow.
explosive detector, and methane detector is not X-ray.
Yeah, make it yellow.
As per what?
Just
It's not the X-ray.
As per what documentation? As per what proof?
It's a walkthrough. It's a electric. What is it?
It's a milliwave technology, Tolga. Ramesh, you correct me if I don't think it's a X-ray generator inside the body scanner.
No,
so technologies, it's Tolga. It's a totally different technology. It's a milliwave technology, what we call.
Okay, I know.
Yeah, so I don't think there is any X-ray beam is generating from the body scanner.
I know,
that's
but we have
answer.
to guarantee. But we have to guarantee ourselves, which I'm advising.
I'm just supporting to to give you some information about this technical matter. So I don't know that, like you said, actually, if we have to justify, King, you have to justify.
If you want to take the risk, take the risk. But I
Tolga, we agree with you. We agree with you. As of now, what we have agreed, just use only two colors, yellow colors and the green colors. For green colors, which we are saying that these are confirmed X-rays and will be included in the part of HBMS interfaces. Based on that, we will see either recons or either HanViet. Our side, we will raise an RFI to clarify the remaining. But let's agree on what we are considering as of now as a X-ray.
Yeah. So explosive detector, shall I mark it yellow or delete it?
Leave it. ETD. It's yellow. Leave it.
Need to be removed.
Okay.
Metal detector, yellow it. Recheck workstations, yellow it. RFID gates, yellow it.
Workstations all to be removed. Actually, they are all like just a piece.
Remove the
Even
this
metal
recheck
detector has to be removed.
A metal detector, anyway, I marked it yellow. This recheck workstation, I think it's part of 632 DB or something, right?
Yeah.
Workstation is just a system, it's a monitor where your image is going to displayed.
Oh,
And it's
okay.
so it's just a PC. So you don't need
Oh,
to, interface
okay,
with
I got
that
it.
to anyone. Yeah, just remove it.
Right, right, done it. Then the scanner future also
Make it
means it will
yellow.
be green. Green.
Yellow, 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 yellow.
Nee, the scanner future.
This scanner future, but what is it? You did not put anything, no models, no nothing. It's just a scanner future. Scanner can be any scanner, right?
No, so it's okay, but
It can be in our contract, as per our contract, it can be only one of our scanners which we supply. Nothing more, nothing less.
Yes,
You
yes,
cannot
yes,
ask
you're right.
any other brand or model or something like that.
Yeah,
If
yeah,
they
yeah,
won't
but
ask us to supply as a technical background, we can only follow the ones which is in our BOQ, like 632 or 920 or 928, like this. So feature can have a technical availability only with the scope of the scanners which we
Olga, you are
supply.
right. You are right. But scanner word is like anything can be a scanner, which this is what I'm trying to say. Like this word is like it's not justifying anything, and also it's for the future. Let's keep it
So
yellow
because
for
of that,
the.
I am saying. So because
no.
of that, I am
So
saying
look,
HBMS guys. I'm saying to HBMS guys that please mention in your software as a ready to plug, uh, which with the scope of the other screen devices with a number of 8. If you are putting some license or quantity as a feature, keep it like this and be ready for using generic REST IP or BACnet.
Noted.
got it.
That's
Uh,
my advice.
Uzair, whatever it is, actually just blank it as a red. Actually, right now there
Yeah,
is
yeah, yeah.
no. Yeah,
It doesn't actually little. So that's the reason I don't want to color anything for the future one.
just leave it as like that actually because the
And
future,
then
right?
remaining
Yeah.
workstations also make it
Before,
yellow again.
yeah, you can remove the workstation 100%.
Yeah.
Yeah, also they can remove VTD, they can remove RFID as well
Yeah.
if you want to say it like this.
Other
Uh,
thing, actually, Ashwin, I just want to point it out. Come down. Related to the RTT, actually, I haven't not given you the API, which I need to give it to you. So you can just blank. This is not the API which is going for RTT 110. RTT 110 is going to a different API. So you have to just blank it. I
okay.
will send it to you later. Okay.
Madhu, I have a question.
Hmm.
Yeah, the RTT 110, we have shared the starter to the BNS already, right?
Yeah. True.
And they
So
show the our scanner on the SCADA already.
yes. Kling, you are right. Sorry. Yeah, absolutely. So this is already you are interfacing with BHS because we are already doing the interfacing with BHS. All the statistics is already displayed in the SCADA. So this has to be go through BHS for the information. Yes, King, you are right. Sorry.
Yeah.
So so you mean to say I need to get information about RT110 through BHS system?
Yes, because BHS is interfacing all the
On the
all the
SBF,
Basically, just make it very clear. Basically, these X-rays are integrated with BHS, and
correct.
there is another SCADA, BHS SCADA. So all the information, all the statics,
already
everything is going to BHS SCADA. So this is the point. This is the point where where recons can raise a concern that do they need to integrate? Like you can raise an RFI on these X-rays, RTT10, that 110, they are integrated with BHF SCADA. So do we need to integrate with building SCADA or HBMS? This is the point where you can raise a concern.
on the scanner on the SBF already shared to the BNS RTT 110 and 928 already.
Tungga, do you have any comment about this? Can we?
I want to see. Yeah, I want to see the standalone. Where is it in this list? In which color? The standalone machines. In the
All
same
the
list.
green, yeah, except the RTT, all the greens are standalone. Come back.
Yeah, just 1 second. Do we need to integrate? Yeah.
Okay,
All
there is again one more thing actually, Ashwin, you have to make it very clear because this 928DX is also interfacing with BHS. So there is some
Yeah, because of
numbers is
that
going to be
separation.
some numbers is going to change over here. Out of 71, it is going to be reduced. So we have 16 plus 19 machines for HBS arrival and departure. So you have to reduce that. Correct, King?
Yes, correct.
No, but for me, if I'm integrating that, do I need to integrate all, or do I need to integrate only few selected?
Because that's what I said actually, because already the 928 for arrival and departure already interfacing happening with BHS. BHS is already taking the information from machines to show the SCADA, interfacing with the SCADA. So all the start and fold and all the information is already providing to BHS. So we don't know actually what you have to use for HPMS for that category of machines.
If you
Let me
got
clarify this one.
the HBMS from BSS side, you got the HBMS of our scanner also.
No, there is look in the specification. It says that direct integration, not through BHS. In the HBMS specification, it says direct integration. So we cannot take any information through BHS.
So it has to be either through IB. Yeah, preferably through IB.
Those X-rays are not directly connected to IB infrastructure. This is the point where we can take advice from ACV and JCB.
I think, Uzair, you have to go through this to JCGB and ACB, how they wanted to go ahead to interface.
This is totally. We can say that these X-rays are already showing in BHS. Do you want to show it in SCADA? HBMS SCADA. Yeah, this is one point. If ACV will decide that they need it, okay, we will do it. If ACV say okay, since it is showing in BHS SCADA, no need to show in HPMS SCADA. In all stages, we need.
We cannot ask this question to ACV. Why? Because even some devices, some information can be shown in the BHS SCADA. I have to show it in the HBMS SCADA also. Because these both are different representatives. BHS related SCADAs is viewed by the BHS related operators. HPMS screens are viewed by the HPMS related operators. So HPMS has a clear definition that they are going to monitor each and every X-ray in the SSC HPS system. So even it's duplicate, we have to make it duplicate because in my specification, HPS specification, it's very clear that we are going to show in our HPMS screen as a direct interface.
So Madhu, we have the answer. We have to follow the specification.
So let me check with my technical team about this actually, because we are already giving a port for interfacing with BHS. So how we have to give additional port? That's going to be another question. So Rameshji,
look, that is another way we can do it because we are also integrating it with. We do have got some integration with BHS.
Yes.
So for those machines which you are already integrated with BHS, can we get the data through BHS?
That only the BHS can tell you actually, because they have to provide you that information.
You would like to reply, or I can reply?
Go for it, Olga. Go for
it. As a previous experience in this project, experience of BHS, as far as I know from the strategy of the Vanderlande, they are already fixed it. They don't want to touch their software anymore, and we cannot take any action against our specification. Our specification says direct interface with HBMS, SSC, HPS. Yes, we can make it, but we are too late to ask this question. If we ask this question in the stage of before the software implementation of the BHS, maybe we will have some chance to do an action against specification with subject to change of the specification. But now we cannot change the specification. Also, as far as I know, BHS already progressed on the software of the VI. Wonderland already progressed on the software development of the its system. They will not show us as a positive feedback, I think. But if you want, we can ask again. But again, it will create too much problem.
Tunga, as my understanding on the specification, the data interface for HBMS required for SSE status information and BSS status information not required for SBS information. Please check on that one. Because you know the SBS is slave on the BSS.
I am asking. Because of that, I am asking to raise an RFI. In your specification, it says SSE equipment. In HBMS specification, it says all X-ray. Maybe ASU will say you that monitor the SSE, don't monitor the HBMS. Maybe they will say it like this. Because in your specification, it says SSE. In HBMS specification, it says all X-ray. So there is a non-clear issue in here. Because of that, I am begging for an RFI, as Mr. Nazmi is also saying the same.
Okay, I think the FI will be issued by the HMS side, not from my side.
They are saying that they are following your documentation. They will not raise an RFI. They will follow our Excel table. If we don't believe that this Excel table is not correct, then we have to send an RFI. But if we are saying that this Excel table is okay for us, then no one will send any RFI. I understand it like this.
Yeah, in all cases also they will be making the network architectural schematic design where they will be showing all the end equipment they are integrating. So that is also a catch for SE or JCGV to catch it at that time.
Yeah.
So currently, currently as of now, yes, Mr. Tolga. Currently, as of now, if you zoom out to the sheet, whoever is sharing, the green ones we have confirmed that these are the just zoom out a little bit. The green ones which we have confirmed that these are the endpoints from where we can do the integration. But also RTT we did not confirm yet, right?
Yeah, RTT we need to get the confirmation. So that's the reason I left it blank.
Yeah.
And RTT is only 12 numbers actually. The count is different actually. So
no, the if you look at the other sheet what I received in that RTTs are 14 numbers.
Right now
two is for the future.
Right now we supply 12 scanner and 2 for future. Please
Listen,
note.
I think you should not be using this list because this is like a complete. If you follow such lists, you will be having more than 10,000 points for interface. Yeah, this is like a system handover list. That's why we are keeping this list. It's like a system handover. Once we will hand over, we will put all the exact IPs, blah blah blah. We will submit this sheet as this is like a complete package.
Okay, so in that case, is it possible for you to share across the device list which I need to integrate?
If you follow the other list where you have highlighted the green ones, currently we can confirm those apart from RTT. We need to think how we are going to do for this RTT. Let us have one more session again because we need to discuss the RTT points because they are already interfaced with BHS SCADA. So we need to finalize if we have.
Madhu, just wanted to check it out. This RTT, how it has been currently shared with BHS system, how it has been integrated?
Profinet.
Can I ask a question?
There is two types of interfacing is happening. For the data exchange, it is Profinet. and the other one is the hardware interface for the e-stop and other stuff.
Okay.
Let me update you this SCN. As per the SCN drawings, as you know, we already have a Cat6 data outlet for each RTT. At site there is. Yes, we are asking for fiber optic. It's a huge fight. We will see.
I don't think if we want to interfacing, then it will be Cat6 only. I don't think this is just interfacing. So
I know.
there won't be.
I just updated. There is some infrastructure already at site as a Cat6.
So Uzair, so let's understand Tolga. Yeah. So Uzair, let's conclude this. So I think we have to work on this HPS system, how to interface, right? We will have another level of internal meeting first to understand a little bit more, because we need to understand what's the scope of BHS also. Definitely we are interfacing with BHS. They are already taking all the information from us, like, like I said, we are slave and they are master. So we need to understand whether BHS can handle that signal back to HPMS. If not, then we have to find a suitable solution for how it has to be worked. So let's do another session internally, then we will catch up with Ashwin these two parts.
Noted. In parallel, if Tolga, if HBMS guys or these things support us, and if they can share an RFI, raise an RFI that the integrated X-rays are already shown on HBMS. Like if we have like maybe we are saying maybe ACV waive this, maybe they say okay, no need.
Let me update you as a contractual procedures. Even ACV accept anything against specification, we have to ask them to change the specification. Mr. Nazmi knows it very well because of this
Tolga,
level 1 to 3 issue.
I want to point out one thing, like King said, actually, because just thinking that in HanViet contract it is SSE, and HBMS contract it is HBMS. So there is a contradiction. So better both of the team can raise a RFI and ask this question to ACV, which one they want to follow. If HanViet want to follow the HBMS also, it's going to be variation. That's what I understand, right, King?
Yes, all right.
Yeah, if we are saying additional modules, then it's going to be lots
absolutely, because
modules.
HanViet contract is very clearly stating it's only SSE. So if you want to interface HBMS, it's going to be additional variation.
I cannot say yes or no to this because we are all responsible for all the specifications in our quotations.
No, but we have to go with the documental, right? Because HanViet had a valid point actually.
Let's do this. Let's do this with HanViet and Ishtash. We will discuss this internally. So just to conclude, as of now, these green ones have been identified as an X-rays or X-rays or screening equipment for you. Remaining we don't consider X-rays for us. If HBS team finds out that there are some other identified equipment which we are not considering X-rays, if you guys can come up that okay, this is a part of X-ray or this is X-ray, we will think into that options.
Yeah. So meantime, what I'll do, we will work with my Ramesh to strike out whatever the information we can, send it back to you, and we will list it out all the requirement what we have to provide. Okay.
So I think it's better we will have another separate session again. Before that, for recons or for HBMS teams, we will be having an internal meeting, me, Mr. Tolga, or Nazmi, and HanViet along with Rapiscan to discuss how to proceed further with the remaining X-rays and the remaining points. Noted?
Yeah. So the only confusion now we have how we are separating with HBMS and standalone machine, right?
That we will discuss internally. We will discuss internally and we will get back to HBMS team.
Yeah, so the interface document which we have shared, I don't think actually there is any much confusion with you, Ashwin?
No, I don't have any confusion. The only clarification I wanted is because that document mentions that, I mean, that's an API per device, right?
Yes.
Yeah, I mean, we need to integrate HBMS being a system of system. What we are looking it out for is a single system where I can get the data of all the devices rather than getting the data from the edge devices.
Because
So
currently,
yeah,
Ashwin, we don't have that part because for us actually we can directly connect to our machine, your network, and you can get this data based on that API.
yeah, because look, I'm just giving an example. 928DX. If we consider this, the total quantity is 71. Will it be so? I need to have 71 different APIs that will increase the network load and traffic like anything.
I don't know how to do that actually because normally standard API works what the document which I have shared with you. So if you
Yeah.
have
So
any other kind of solution, then there is going to be another NRE development for us.
no. Not that's not an additional development. Typically, look what happens is ki, I mean, how the typical integration with HBMS is. All this information is integrated with IB. Okay, so IB takes the information from you and consolidate it and send it across to
So
HBMS.
who is the IB responsible?
ICT contractor.
Okay, so again, it falls under different
Look,
contractor.
I will say the approach of interface, either you get a bulk of data from IB or you go to the individual X-ray. That mechanism you have to agree with the client. I believe we cannot decide this.
Ashwin,
Okay.
Ashwin,
Yeah.
I have advice. Because this information is already available in the IB, the information
Hmm.
which BHS is taking is already
Hmm.
available in the IB. But again, it's against our specification. Maybe it can be manageable. I don't know. But it's already available in the IB, right? Because correct me if I'm wrong, that HBMS is integrated through IB with BHS, right?
Yeah, yeah.
So this information is already available in the IB. I am just thinking about the same approach which we have done for the BIDS. Remember the BIDS
Mhm.
integrated
Yeah.
BIDS approach.
Right.
They said we share with HTML. They said that no bulk information. So BIDS guys take this information from IB directly.
Yeah.
ODB.
So
Correct.
we cancel the BHS BIDS integration. Same approach
Correct.
can be done for this HPMS site integration, but we have to be very careful to see the effects of the specification and something like that. This
Yeah.
comes a game which we have which we have to see between HCV and HBMS guys.
Yeah.
Okay, then we can get rid of the HPMS integration if
Yeah,
HCV let
basically,
us.
yes. There is an approach. There is approach which Mr. Tolga has mentioned, and also I think 2 days back, Recons or HVMS guys they have shared the same concern that either they get the data from individual X-rays or they will get from the IB. So we mentioned if you want to get the information from IB, please contact ETC contractor, as we don't know what modifications they have to done in order for you to share their this relevant data. So currently we cannot answer anything on behalf of them, but yeah, it can be a solution as well.
Let us check internally, Madhu. Let us check us internally for the HPMS
Yeah.
how we can solve it. By the way, Ashwin, please discuss verbally with the ETC guys that is it possible or not. At least just verbally. Don't make it anything
Yeah,
official, but verbally. Okay, Ashwin?
that's it.
Sure.
So I
Okay,
think
so
that's it for today.
yeah, Uzair, so I have already 10 minutes late for another meeting. Can I just drop if you don't mind?
Yeah, I
Okay,
think
thank
Yeah,
we
you
just
can we're
clear
done.
their concerns. I think we don't have anything else to discuss. Let's meet one
Okay,
more time next week.
yeah,
In parallel, we will be ready for our internal meeting, Madhu, and
perfect,
we
yeah.
will get back with their remaining concerns.
Okay, Ashwin, can you send me this updated sheet to me so I can work on the information back to you?
Sure.
Yeah, sure. I'll
Okay.
share it across. Thao will share across this
Yeah, the same email
information.
chain, I believe.
No problem.
Please
Yeah. Okay.
include,
Fine.
Yeah.
please include each and every attendee in the meeting in the mails, okay?
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank
Yeah.
you.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Dũng 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 Hello.